Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about important AI academic search engines. We often use it to search our research paper using any trusted websites like Google Scholar, and then different kinds of websites are available or in elsewhere, etc. So in order to get the perfect content or perfect search results, so you can use AI academic search engines, which will be very helpful for you to find the best reference papers for your research. As you are starting your research career, so you can use this kind of academic AI search engines in order to get perfect results for your search. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI search engines, and let us see how it will works and how you can use it for your research paper writing. So the first AI search engine what we are going to discuss is that Bohrium AI. So this is the Bohrium AI. This is the dashboard of this search engine. So here you can see AI academic search for scientists solving scientific problems. So here you can ask any scientific questions. So or you can give any number of research questions, or so you can search for your papers also. So here you can see an option called auto. So you can just click on that auto. So here you can use the normal option, you can use it for free, and also another option is available, DeepSeek. By using DeepSeek model, so you can use this option called DeepThink, so that also you can access for free. So after that, there are different kinds of disciplines are available. So here you can see all disciplines, so you can search up to 160 million papers, and the natural sciences 17 million, engineering technology 13 million, life sciences 31, philosophy and social sciences 9 million papers. So I am going to give all disciplines. So here I am going to give an input search. So I am going to give a topic called machine learning algorithms in cyber security. So like that I am going to give and search here. So here you can give, go on. So here comes our search results. So machine learning algorithms in cyber security. So it has referenced up to 70 sources. So these are the different kinds of sources are available. So here you can click to find the 70 sources, and then automatically, so it will made an deep analysis. So just we have given option called free. So even it has made a deep analysis using that particular 70 resources. So here you can see machine learning algorithms play a crucial role in modern cyber security, enhancing the ability to detect, prevent and respond to increasingly sophisticated cyber threats. So it is automatically cited that reference number 1 and 2. So the important thing is that the recent references also cited here. So here you can see this is the first reference 2024, and the next reference Mohammed 2025. So you can just click on and check that references also here. There are 70 sources. So these are the 70 sources. So starting from 1 to 70 sources are available here. So you can use all the sources for your analysis, and also you can cross check it with the particular journals where it is published. So just show, it will show the journals published also, knowledge and information systems, academic journal in science, technology, engineering, mathematics, education. So like that it will segregate it. So here as far as content is concerned, it is giving a perfect content by citing all the papers. So applications of machine learning in cyber security, here you can see the different kinds of techniques available and types of machine learning algorithm used, and then even it is giving pictures also. So here you can see pictures from the particular sources. So the most relevant pictures from any of the sources will be showcased here. So this will be very helpful for you to get an idea about how to make a block diagram or a perfect paper. So rather than downloading the papers and searching for your that is research paper writing, so you can use this kind of option. It will analyze every reference paper, different kinds of resources, and it will give you a perfect picture to be drawn in your research paper also. So this is the picture here, machine learning approaches for IDS. So next, explainable AI in cyber security. So for that also it is giving some pictures here. So from a source, unknown source, you can check out it also after that. So challenges and future directions, lack of definite data sets. So like that, so it will give you a perfect, crisp and precise content for the title you have given. So rather than searching or downloading different kinds of research papers for your analysis. So you can use this kind of AI academic search engine to analyze your topic as well as to find the best references for your research paper writing. So this is how you can use this academic search engine in order to make your research very simple. So and also the important thing is that so you can continue to ask, you can ask any questions you want. For example, so how effective an SVM and random forest institution detection. So you can just click on that automatically. So it will go for that particular search and it will generate answers for you. So you can add this one, how effective or SVM and random forward intrusion detection. So this is how you can do a perfect academic search using this kind of search engines. So hope you can get an idea how to use this Bohrium AI to generate better search results for your research questions. So here you can select as you want to focus precisely on engineering. So you can select engineering or natural science. So you can select whatever the topic you want depending upon your stream of study. So this is how you can use this Bohrium AI for your academic search. It acts as a scientific navigator for you. So the next tool what we are going to discuss today is that Zendy. So it is also a AI search engine. So here this is the dashboard of this Zendy AI, empowering knowledge with every research. So you can search for a keyword, title, author, publication title, ISSN number, ISBN number, DOA, etc. So here what you can do is, so you can give the topic, same topic what we have given in Bohrium AI. So machine learning algorithms in cyber security. So it also will analyze its databases and it will generate content for you. So here comes our search results showing, so this much amount of search results. So here you can see that. So use of machine learning algorithm in cyber security. So where it has been published, the journal, and also you can view the PDF also in Zendy AI. So before that you have to log in with your mail ID, or you have to register with this Zendy AI. So then only so you can check that particular download option. So and then you have to create an account. So after that you can download this paper. So I am going to create an account by giving academic researcher. So you can give some institution. So I am going to give some institution name. So I am going to give create an account. So automatically the paper will be generated here. So you can download this paper also. So here our paper is downloaded. So automatically it will open. So like that you can search the paper and also you can download this paper. The same paper, use of machine learning algorithm in cyber security. In the same way, you can see that machine learning algorithms and open frameworks, open access paper. So cyber security, cryptography and machine learning. So and also you can see for each paper, so you can have an option whether you can view it as a PDF or you can read it as a PDF. So based upon according to your search results, so you can select whatever the topic you want and you can analyze that particular topic very easily using this Zendy AI. So this is how you can use this Zendy AI powered research library. So in order to analyze the research papers or analyze your research topic, so which are the important recent reference papers are available in your particular research topic. So instead of using a normal Google Scholar like kind of tools, so you can use this kind of AI search engines in order to find the best reference papers as well as the best idea about the topic what we are searching for. So hope this video will be very helpful for you. These two both search engines will be very helpful for you to make your research paper writing simple. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.